Hello everyone, and in front of me is REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestion. So if you wish to have emoji suggestion active, just open the settings, then find and select system and update. Here go to keyboard and input method, and now mark manage keyboards, so you've got it at the top of the list. Select Gboard on your left side, and here go to emojis, stickers and GIFs, and here go down under suggestions while typing. You've got emojis, so unless this indicator is active, just mark it to make sure that it is on. And as you can see now, while typing, let me just open new message. Okay, so let's open note maybe, because we do not have our SIM card inserted and it's not possible to write over there. But over here the suggestion would work as well. So as you can see, sun, and here we've got the suggestion. That's it. This is how it works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.